Akulira ekitongole ekiteekerateera eggwanga ki National Planning Authority, Dr. Joseph Muvawala akyaddeko ku kitebe kya Vision Group mu kibangirizi kya bannamakolero okwongera okunyweza enkolagana. Asinkanya Akulira Vision Group Don Innocent Wanyama ng'ali wamu n'abalala abaddukanya kkampuni eno erayogedde ku kitabo giyite magazine gye bakola buli mwaka n'asaba Vision Group okubakwasaganyizaako.
With your experience, it is a direct procurement that we only work with the Newe Vision, which is a government agency who are responsible enough, and that I would like people to account using that magazine.
Alasengeri Vision Group gyesobola okuganyulwamu n'eggwanga lyonna okutwaliza wamu ng'agamba nti bingi ekitongole byekize kikola naye abantu ne batabiganyulwamu kubanga tebabitegeera.
We can get those articles for people to be knowledgeable about what we do in government, but we could also get advice using that. I always see this man coming asking me for letters, but first of all we must understand our stakeholder, and you are our major stakeholder. You are the biggest communication. You have a lot of radio stations. I see them every time, even when I go to Arua.
Alambuludde ku nteekateeka z'olunaku olwa Population Day n'asaba Vision Group okulusaako essira.
To your professional advice on how we do it. This man is here. On how we talk to Ugandans to understand that this country is their own country and that whatever they do, they are contributing to growth.
Agamba nti bakola alipoota nnungi naye byonna bikoma ku mpapula kuba biwandiika nga kino kye kibawaliriza okukwatagana ne Vision Group okulaba nga batuuka ku buli muntu mu lulimi lw'ategeera.
So for me, my brother, I know we have these documents. We write very good documents. When you read them on this continent, you will not find them, I can assure you. But I have now noticed in the 12th year that just writing good documents is not enough to move this country to the next. And I have only 4 years to retire, so I'm pushing. Now I have learned my lesson. I am pushing to get out there, and I need you. And I will leave it with you to find out how you help us.
Akulira Vision Group Don Innocent Wanyama ategeeza nti oluggi lwa Vision Group lugule okukolagana na buli muntu n'ebitongole okulakulanya eggwanga. Mutebe Sulaiman yakusakidde eggulire lino ku Bukedde TV.